What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to roll back, how to revert Elementor from previous version. So imagine the following scenario guys, you have upgraded your plugin, the plugin did upgrade automatically, and it broke your site, it broke some important section of your site. Maybe because of some add-ons, some compatibility issues, some layout that changed, and you have no time to solve it just yet. How to fix it? You can roll back the Elementor WordPress plugin version, and WordPress plugin has this option embedded on it, okay? How to access? First, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard into the browser address bar, enter your domain plus WP admin, enter with login credentials, and you're gonna be able to see a dashboard, a page almost like this one. Hover a mouse over Elementor into the left sidebar of menus. In the case that you don't have Elementor on it, all you have to do is go to Plugins, Add New, Submenu, go to Popular, and go to Elementor Website Builder. Click on Install and Activate. Elementor gonna try to sell you the Pro version, some subscriptions, no needs for it. You can use all for free, okay? So just jump some steps. Now go to Elementor, hover the submenu, editor, and there is a lot of options. Go to tools, okay? Into the submenu. Then on tools you have general, replace URL, version control, maintenance, website templates. Go to version control, rollback version. Warning, please back up your database before. So imagine that my Elementor did broke into version 4.2.1. I can go back to version 4.1.5. Click on reinstall. Are you sure you want to reinstall? Yes, continue. I won't cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes. Roll back to previous version is now complete. Go to plugins page. And here is my Elementor on version 4.1.5. In the case that you already have fixed the issue, you can go back to your WordPress dashboard, find the plugins page, click on it, find Elementor, and click on Upgrade Now. And this is gonna be installed in the version 4.2.2 or the latest available version. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out Visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. See you guys tomorrow. All the best!